We're here at Banff's first Share and Repair Fair, and we're going to chat with our community to find out how everyone contributes to a more circular Banff.
So what is a circular economy? Well, right now we are living in more of a linear economy where products are made, used, and then thrown away. But we want to transition to a more circular economy where items can stay in circularity for as long as possible through processes like repurposing, recycling, refurbishing, and reimagining all of the items that we bought so we don't need to buy new.
So in Banff, all the waste that's produced in the park has to be sent all the way to Calgary. So it's really important that we keep our systems as circular as possible, reuse our resources as much as possible to make the most of what we actually have right here in Banff.
So the Biosphere Institute of the Bow Valley loves the notion of circular Banff. We support that in a couple of different ways through the Banff Library of Things, through the wonderful events like the one that our fabulous staff Tanya organized for today at the Share and Repair Fair, and helping push recycle bear spray which is gone now, to recipients of all of our affordable services folks here in Banff and throughout the Bow Valley.
Welcome to the Library of Things. These items are all free, included with your Banff Library card. There's a total of over 300 items, from sewing machines to Instant Pots to bike repair stands. Every kind of tool you could imagine.
The Valley Waste Management Commission recycles and reuses 60% of the construction, renovation and demolition waste that the Bow Valley produces.
The Bow Valley Food Alliance is made up of a bunch of community members who are looking at creating a regenerative food system. So that means what comes out of the ground could possibly go back in the ground, or at least nourish what is in the ground. And that's what we're doing to help keep a circular economy.
Hi, I'm Sherry from The Last Temptation. We're at the Share and Repair Fair, and we've participated in a free clothing swap, and as well we brought in our reworks of otherwise damaged things that have been made to be wearable again, and this is kind of what we do.
Hi, I'm Melissa with Fine. I'm out of Canmore, and I'm an upcycler, and I use denim in all of the products that I make. So if you have used denim in the community and it's not good enough to send to the thrift store and be reworn, you can send it to me and I'll upcycle it.
My name's Drew. I'm the owner of Fix It Bow Valley. I do phone repairs in the Canmore Banff area. I'm mobile, do from a mobile truck, so I can pick up and drop off, and try and keep your old phone going.
This is Banff Borough's Reable Cup program that we've got in Banff. We've got 14 cafes now participating. It's completely free to borrow for up to 30 days. So next time you forget your keep cup, you know what you can use.
If you get a flat tire, you don't need a brand new tube. You can fix your tube. Even if you can't get the wheel off your bicycle, you can fix it in place, just like that.
Hi everyone, Wendy here from Comfy Shoes. I just want to thank you all for inviting us to this share and repair session here at the Fenlands. We fix shoes, we fix hiking boots, climbing shoes, bags, jackets, zippers, anything that needs to be sewn, gear, we do it all, so come visit us. Thanks.
The Banff Housing Corporation contributes to a more circular Banff through a variety of circular economy initiatives, such as food, reuse, recycle welcome kits, a car share program, sport equipment lending, and recycling donations to local organizations and charities.
Hi, my name's Kate with Patagonia Banff. We're here at the Share and Repair Fair, repairing zippers and making sure that your garment stays in circulation for as long as possible, reducing waste and keeping that circular economy for everything that we spend money on.
Hi, my name is Emma. I'm here with the YWCA Banff. So we offer programming related to things like Women's Circle. We also try to be really active in the community and join wonderful events like this. We have donations that we accept at the Y. We had a surplus of some donations, so we have some free donations that are here for the community. We're also offering some t-shirts that feel free to upcycle into tote bags.
And that's a wrap for this year's Banff Share and Repair Fair.
Thank you to all of these amazing local organizations, businesses, and community members who contribute to making Banff a little bit more circular. We hope to see you next year.